I just picked up these 3 small supposed EDC tools from TEMU, all were just under $5, which is basically a cup of coffee these days. So yeah, let's see, are they even usable? I picked out these specific ones as all of them looked pretty cool. So yeah, now let's start with the smallest one, which is this thing. It came also with a keyring, but this is basically, it should be a knife. Let's try and open it up. As you can see, it has no blade, and it is because it uses, I believe, size 11 surgical blades. I bought those also, so let's put one in a bit, but now let's take a closer look. I'm pretty sure this is a bottle opener. I don't think there are any other functions than that. Let's weigh it. It weighs about 17 grams, so yeah, now let's put in blade. I picked up these also on TEMU. They should fit, I hope. Let's try it out. It's hard for me to see it like this, but it should fit something like that. There was a click, so I think it's in. Looks pretty okay. Yeah. So, looks like this. It's actually pretty sturdy. Pretty cool. The blade does lock into place, but it releases under pressure. So yeah, that's pretty cool. A couple of cool things about a knife like this is, firstly, you always get a sharp blade, and when it's dull, simply replace it. They're pretty cheap, and if you're at an airport, you take it with you, then simply discard the blade, take it out, should come like this. Yeah, simply discard the blade and you're good to go. You don't need to submit your entire tool or anything like that, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, this thing is actually pretty cool for the price, under $5. It's pretty stable, doesn't wobble. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it'll cut pretty good as the blade is new. But yeah, that's actually pretty nice. Next up, we have this thing, which is like a mini tool, a mini screwdriver, or whatever. Yeah, whatever it's called. But yeah, it has exchangeable bits inside. I think this thing comes out. Yeah, looks like this. Has different sized connections. I'm pretty sure it should go somewhere here on the side also. I think that might be wrong, as I'm pretty sure by the images it should connect like this. And yeah, it barely doesn't fit. So that's unfortunate. I can't squeeze it in. Let's try and push it in with some pliers. Yeah, that's not going in. Okay, no problem, I guess. Yeah, now let's check out the bits. They look pretty standard, more or less. They're pretty light. I don't know what material is it, but yeah, they seem pretty light. Now let's put them in. They seem to lock in place, but they come out really easily. They actually go in harder than they come out. It's hard to explain. They don't fall out, but with some minimum pressure, they fall out. So yeah, let's put it back. Let's try at least. It's also pretty hard to get them out. They do slide out pretty easily, but this is the maximum distance I can push them out from one side, and from the other it's like this. Some of them I can push a bit deeper. These ones are no issue, but the ones on the side, it's a bit harder. Yeah, it also has the cheap plate and this hook, which is maybe a bottle opener or something like that. But yeah, let's also try putting a bit in the end. So yeah, the bit doesn't fit, only the extension, and the extension doesn't fit here. Okay, the bit simply shot through the tool. Let's try it again. No, now it's okay. I don't know what happened there, but okay. But yeah, the overall feeling and everything about this thing is, yeah, this thing is trash, I would say. The first one, this thing was way better. This one, of course, doesn't have a screwdriver or anything like that. But yeah, this thing is really flimsy, and yeah, if you don't have anything else, maybe it's okay, but yeah. And now let's take a look at the biggest thing we have, which is this thing, which is the two-way ratchet bolt driver. This thing actually looks pretty cool. I like the design, the bit holder in the handle. Let's see, it's pretty flimsy. How good it locks. It's actually pretty okay. It will probably wear down, get looser over time, as it's supported only by these small plastic clips, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, still a pretty cool design for $5. Let's see how the bits attach. The bits hold in way better than with this thing. This is, I believe, magnetic. Yeah, there's a magnet inside. The ratchet is pretty hard to turn. It's not very loose, which is, I don't know if a bad thing or a good one. That's actually feeling pretty good. Let's try and driving the screw and see how it goes. As I forgot to test it with the last one, let's start with that one and see how it goes. It's pretty slippery. It's not very comfortable, but technically is getting the work done. Okay, stop. It's not comfortable, but yeah, gets the work done. But yeah, I still don't like it. Now, let's this thing. Switch out a bit. Let's put one. I think this one will fit just right. Yeah, let's put it in. See how it goes. I need to switch direction. The ratchet is so strong that it just doesn't start ratcheting. Okay, on this one it does. The bit is slipping out. I don't know if the geometry is good on it, but yeah. Yeah, gets the work done. It's not the best, but technically, yeah, for under $5, yeah, pretty cool. So, what are my final thoughts on all of these? Well, I personally would spend the extra $10 or whatever and get a better one. But if you're on a budget, you don't have anything else, it's better than nothing. I do like this thing. This is pretty cool. This one was also not bad, but the ratchet is very, very strong. It's hard to engage it, and this one was more or less trash. But yeah, if you don't have anything else, it might be okay. At least something. It's better than driving a screw with your nail or something like that. But yeah, I would personally spend the extra money, buy a better one, especially if you're considering it as your EDC, as yeah, it might be needed in an emergency, and I don't know if these things can be trusted in that situation. But yeah, still pretty cool. Let me know, what do you think? Leave a like, subscribe if you liked the video, and yeah, see you soon. Bye.